Okay, guys, a quick market update, important update. See, I said last night also, and I said even in the voice note in the YouTube video, a lot of money is going to be lost in the next 1-2 days. Try to understand why, because we do not know what's the long-term trend now. Last night, yesterday, when the markets plunged, surprisingly, the long-term, the momentum that was there, short-term momentum, long-term momentum, it shifted. Now the question is, do I go long? Do I go short? That I'm not sure because I do not know what's the long-term picture like. And right now, everyone's speculating whether we go up or down. People who are doing option selling or who are hedging, they're fine. But otherwise, everyone's hedging. Everyone's confused. See, try to understand if you're a retail trader, if you're a new person in the market, if you don't trade 1 or 2 days, that's not going to make a difference. But protect your capital, save the capital for the move. Most of the people do this mistake. When the move happens, we don't have money left to trade. What I'm saying is, this was discussed last night. If you're in shorts, markets will, if they open gap up, you have to try to exit shorts. Why? Yes, markets will come down. It came, tested the lows, then it again went back up. I hope you were in line with that. We all already made a point that that voice note that I sent last night at 1 o'clock must have been heard. And I personally exited all my shorts at that point of time. I'm again telling you, if you want to go aggressive short in the market, let the markets show you that first. Let's not trade the forecast, but let's trade the market. Markets will give you that indication if they follow through, which means if they break the day low, the yesterday's low, which is around 34,640. Below that, 34,400, all those levels will open up. But it's again important, let that level break. It's fine if you don't play 100 point, 150 point movement in the middle, but you're going to be safe. At the same side, let the markets close above 35,000, 35,200. Let the market sustain above this trend line also that we're seeing before we start to go long. I would say this zone is a utter confusion zone, utter no trade zone. And I think if you trade in this zone, it's all upon luck. Today is also the expiry. Today is also the expiry, and the plan is working. Last night when I came on YouTube, when I gave you that voice note, I said very well, today is going to be a sideways at Doji. You can exactly see how it's playing out. It's perfectly fine. So we are in line with the expectations that we had. And today morning also, last night also, I said if you're in the short position and the market opens gap up flat or gap down, you can find and hold. But if the markets are opening gap up, that's why I said last night, don't hold any BTST calls. Why? Because market will first plunge down. And you can see the entire day it's been completely sideways. So let the market show you what it wants to do, then trade it. So my suggestion is, as I said, next 2 days, important macroeconomic events, don't hold any unnecessary positions unless you have a conviction on that trade. Hope you're understanding that point. Nifty Private Bank continues to lag. Nifty Private Bank is still flattish. You can see it's just 14 points up, right? And Nifty PSU Bank continues dominance. But again, Nifty PSU Bank has no correlation with Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank will do what the Nifty Private Bank wants to do. And all the private banks are suffering as of now. So that's what I'm saying. I do not have any opinion. I will wait for the markets to give me a side, which way to go, and then I will go on that side. Let's not focus, guys. Let's play the market. If you're long in the market right now, no problem. But the 640, 50, these kind of zones have to be your stop loss, because below that, an aggressive sell off can start also. That's all for now, guys. Thank you so much.